Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So it is Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, you guys. So of course me and Tree are co-hosting this, and basically it is showing your dies, showing what you created. If you want, you could just do die cuts and work with them along the rest of the week. You guys, there's so many collabs going on right now, and so many hashtag collabs that you can just work with any of them during the week with the ones that you do for Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. This is an open collab. It is open to anybody that wants to join in at any time. You don't have to do it every week. If you want to do it on one Monday, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine. And so basically you could show your project share if you want, or you could just show what you ended up die cutting. So today I was doing the birthday theme for this month, but you guys, I forgot back to school. Oh my goodness. So last minute I am using my Cricut. I really don't use it, so every time I start using it, I use it like once every other month, once every 3 months or so. So my goodness. So I pulled it out and I did some die cutting. I already did some pouches, or some name pouches for my kids, for their pencil pouches and their backpacks. And so my son is entering middle school this year, and I decided to go ahead and do some Cricut dies, or vinyl dies, and just go ahead and put it on his notebooks, because I know it's going to be a little hard having to remember what booklet is the right one. So he does have other classes, so I'm waiting for those, because I believe some of them are composition books, so I'm waiting for those. And I still have to do his folders. I also have my child who is going into third grade, so I went ahead and put his name on here. And you guys, they usually do these, so I'm hoping that if for some reason it falls off of their backpack, or they drop it, or they forget about it, they could get taken to the office. And I did the same one for my other son. I did his name right here, and that is what I worked on this die cutting Monday. So you guys, thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow that hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. You guys, so many talented crafters, so many amazing crafters have joined in, and a lot of them are showing their projects. So go over, follow that hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you. You guys have an awesome day. Bye for now.